First, thousands of pounds of pure sugar pour directly into the mixing vat. Next comes the thick, heavy, golden corn syrup.
Then, a precise cloud of gelatin powder is added to bind it all.
Massive steel blades churn the mixture into a thick, heavy paste. Extreme heat boils it down into a clear, liquid candy base. The hot base is released, ready for flavor and color.
It races through glass pipes across the entire factory. A micro nozzle injects a burst of glowing neon red coloring. Watch it instantly swirl into a vibrant cherry red. Here goes the electric blue raspberry. 3 vivid flavors, flowing perfectly side by side. A few drops of citric acid give it that signature sour kick.
Now for the molds. Hundreds of wooden trays move down the line. They are filled with a thick layer of pure white cornstarch. A steel blade scrapes the powder perfectly flat. The mold plate stamps down into the powder, leaving behind hundreds of flawless, tiny, bare cavities.
The molds are now ready for the pour.
"50 robotic nozzles lock on to the empty cavities. Perfect drops of hot red candy fill every single mold instantly. Next, the electric blue raspberry flavor fills the neighboring rows.
And finally, the neon green lime liquid completes the batch.
Thousands of fresh gummies are now ready for the cooling process.
They enter the tunnel to set and become solid, chewy candy. Icy air instantly transforms the liquid into a firm, bouncy texture. 20 minutes later, the bears emerge perfectly firm. The robotic arm prepares for the extraction phase. One quick flip, and the gummies drop onto the vibrating sifter. Vibration separates the starch, leaving only the clean gummies.
Soft brushes ensure every single bear is completely clean.
A light mist makes them sticky enough for the sour sugar.
They fall into the drum for their signature sour coating.
This is where they get that irresistible sour crunch.
Every bear gets an even, frosty coating of sugar.
Coating complete. Now they head for quality control.
High-speed lasers scan for any imperfect shapes. Anything less than perfect is instantly rejected. Each batch is weighed to the exact gram. The bears drop into their final packaging. Heat sealed for freshness and ready for the store. Thousands of sealed bags now speed down the final line.
A laser stamps the expiration date in a fraction of a second.
Every single bag passes through a metal detector for absolute safety.
Robots take over the heavy lifting for the boxing phase. They are dropped perfectly into their retail display boxes. Steel arms fold the boxes shut at lightning speed.
A quick strip of tape locks it all in.
The boxes are quickly stacked into massive pallets. Shrink wrap secures the massive load for its long journey.
Forklifts move the pallets straight to the loading dock. Loaded up and ready to hit the highway. Next stop, your local grocery store.
Millions of gummies are dispatched across the country every single day.
Finally, they hit the shelves, waiting for you.
The ultimate sweet and sour treat.
Time for the best part.
A mountain of fresh, sour perfection.
Soft, chewy, and coated in pure sour sugar. The perfect bite.
Hit subscribe for more satisfying factory tours.